Question 12. Which of the following happened last? Wenzi joined a guided tour. Wenzi's father found Peng Chen's name. Wenzi and her parents rode a boat to Angel Island. Wenzi packed her backpack with things she might need. Which word best describes Wenzi? Mischievous means she gets into trouble. Talkative, talks a lot. Prepared means she has everything she needs. Obedient, which means she does the right thing. What was the climax of the story? Wenzi's mother found out about Peng Chen. Peng Chen was held on Angel Island. Wenzi's father found Peng Chen's name. Wenzi learned the history of the island. The last paragraph is mainly about Wenzi making a rubbing of Chinese characters on a wall, Wenzi's parents being able to read Chinese characters, the sadness Wenzi's mother felt seeing Peng Chen's name, discovering and copying something Peng Chen had written. Which of these is a theme of the story? Family trips are important. The past is powerful. No. Art comes in many forms. Laws are often unfair. Yes. How are Angel Island and Ellis Island alike? Immigrants were checked there before entering the United States. Immigrants named these islands based on their experiences there. They are both on the country's west coast. They were only used for Chinese immigrants. What was the main reason Wenzi's mother wanted to go to Angel Island? She had never been there before. She wanted Wenzi to ride across San Francisco Bay. She had grown up hearing stories about her grandfather's stay there. She wanted to see where her grandfather had once been. How did Wenzi's mother probably feel when Wenzi gave her the wall rubbing? Grateful, curious, confused, worried. What is the most likely reason Peng Chen wrote in Chinese characters? He did not want anyone to read his writing. He knew his Chinese grandfather would see his message. He probably did not know the English alphabet. He found the characters easier to carve than letters. Why did people want to save the buildings on Angel Island? The buildings had a unique design. A few immigrants were still living there. The buildings helped block storms from reaching the mainland. The buildings contained first-hand accounts of historic events. What was the author's main purpose for writing this selection? To teach the importance of protecting historic buildings, to describe the pain all immigrants experienced, to entertain readers with a heartwarming story, to convince readers to learn about their own families.